Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time. It is Happynichi Saturday, and in today's video, I am going to show you 2 easy ways to decorate your skinny happy planner or your Happynichi. Now, if you are new to planning or curious about what a Happynichi is, I have a brief description of it in my description box below. So if you want to see 2 easy ways I decorate my Happynichi weekly, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can become a part of my Tea Party Squad and know when I upload my Happynichi Saturday videos. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to be planning for the next 2 weeks in January, and I like to go ahead and plan 2 weeks ahead or a week ahead so that anything that I have to get done or something comes up, I can always go in and fill those in. Or sometimes I like to use my sticky notes that I just pulled off just to kind of, write down some things that I have coming up. But I like to go ahead and have it decorated ahead of time just in case my time and my week gets a little busy for me. So January the 13th through the 19th is a special week. That is my 14-year wedding anniversary. And so I went ahead and already kind of pre-planned how I want my layout to look. And so I wanted kind of like an anniversary themed spread, and I couldn't really find those right stickers for this. So what I did, I just took that washi that says I love you, just to kind of add as just like a little accent piece to the spread. And the only thing that I could think of to use was these Fun Florals by the Happy Planner. That came to mind when I thought of just a nice, like, romantic type theme spread. And I'm going to see if I can maybe pull out a few florals in here and decorate it just to kind of give it some elegance and some flair to it. And then I also thought about adding some more elegance to it. Why not go ahead and pull out my Teresa Collins and the Happy Planner collab sticker book, and then this Simply Lovely, that is my beloved Simply Lovely, just if I would need to add any more florals or some decorative boxes to this spread to just kind of jazz it up a bit. So my thoughts for this spread, to make it an easy, fun, and functional spread, was to just add some florals down the spine of my skinny happy planner. And I actually saw my planner friend fly by the seat of your plans, also known as Casey. I saw her do this in one of her videos, and I just thought that would be a nice, easy way of doing my spread, especially an anniversary spread. So that is what I'm going to do with this week of January the 13th through the 19th for this week. And I thought it would turn out really cute. So I already picked out, or I have a floral in mind that I want to use. So I think I'm hoping that it will fit for this spread. Now for the week of January the 20th through the 26th, another sticker book came to mind, which is this flowers sticker book from the Happy Planner. And I wanted to change it up, but also stick with the florals for for this 2 weeks of planning. And I just thought maybe using some of these florals in here, I'll do like a quick little flip through so you guys can see what some of the florals are. Some of the florals are a little different from out of the Fun Floral sticker book, which I absolutely love. And I'm loving these florals in here. Actually, I think I love these florals better than the Fun Florals, but you let me know what you think. Do you like the Fun Florals sticker book better than the flowers? Let me know down below. But I think I'm gonna play with this one for the week of the 20th through the 26th just to see how I like it. So let's go ahead and get started with the first week of, or well, January 13th through the 19th. All right, so first things first, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and take some washi tape, and I'm just going to tape my 2 pages to the side together so that they're not moving as I'm trying to place down my florals down the spine. And it's kind of strategic as to how you want to place them, but I am a little extra at times. So yeah. But I picked this floral out of this sticker book because of our wedding colors, and I just thought it just tied in very well with the little splashes or watercolors of the pink and then the black and white stripes along the spine. I don't mind that it shows through. I just think it gives that extra little touch to it So that's what I'm going to do, is just kind of fill those in. And, you know, these big stickers are actually kind of filling it in really fast. And I don't mind that it's overlapping into the other weeks of it. So that's what I'm going to do, is continue to fill that in and maybe add in a few more florals here and there to kind of fill in some open spaces. All right, and so you guys, I love me some Ron Ron dolls. Don't get me wrong, but I feel like those Ron Ron dolls are not doing it for me with this spread. So I'm going to have to wipe them out. So that's what I'm going to do. Take my handy dandy Tombow hybrid correction tape, and I'm just going to wipe them out and just kind of make it more cohesive to match throughout. Now I'm trying to go ahead and use something that's going to allow me to kind of take away that the shading of the whiteout, or the indication of the whiteout. So I thought I'd just put that fun floral sticker over that and maybe kind of dress it up. And I thought maybe throwing in this quote that says, "Love this life of mine," over it to kind of take away that blemish in that corner. And then I don't know, I may do something else because I see that little whiteout at the bottom there, but I may end up taking something, maybe that heart. Nah, I'll put it at the top. Just to kind of give it a little bit more deco, and maybe put something smaller, like this small heart, to kind of take away from it and make that corner work for me. So I kind of like how that looks. This was super easy to do and very easy and quick. Very easy and quick. All I had to do was just take those florals. So now what I want to do is go ahead and just make some bullet points, because I do like to carry this with me as my everyday carry, and I do like to list the top 3. Sometimes it's 5. It just depends on the day and what I have going on. I just want to make like little bullet points of just things I need to have written down for the week. And so I'm going to go ahead and just stagger this throughout the week, just to kind of make it match together. And so I think that's all I'm going to do with this. Now, what I need to do is go ahead and cut it in half, but I want to do it very delicately. So I'm just going to take my time and take my X-Acto knife and just go down the spine of it very slowly and just cut it down the middle so that I have an even cut throughout. All right, so moving on to the week of January the 20th through the 26th. Now, I was thinking for this one, instead of using a lot of florals, that we should use a little bit of florals. So I'm going to do the same thing to this spread. I'm going to put down my washi tape to hold the pages still. And then I hadn't really picked out what floral I wanted to use for this spread. So I'm thinking these are kind of big flowers. So I think I might just stick with just some big flowers and just kind of go down the middle. Very easy to do and use. So I kind of like this one. This reminds me of the Faith Planner florals or flowers in the Faith Planner. So that's what I'm going to go with. We're going to try to work this out and see. But this is actually um a bigger sticker than I thought. Like, I didn't realize it was so big. So um I'm just going to need to move that washi so I can place that like that. This takes a little time, but it's super easy to do. Super easy. Once you get the stickers down, then you're good to go. And so I wanted to lay this sticker, and I guess you could have went like straight up the spine, like, but I have my florals kind of at a slant, and I just want that so it can have a peekaboo of each of the florals on each page. So that's why I did that. So let me know if you use this big sticker in your planners, because I didn't realize this was big. Like, this is huge for the skinny planner. This might could have worked better in the classic size, but to be honest, this actually worked because I don't really have much going on for this week. So I can just make do with that and just maybe put down a few boxes in this spread. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to cut down the spine of it just to kind of get it out. And actually, you can do this in different ways. So if you've done this a different way, like now I'm using the scissors to do this, to cut the spine. I don't recommend doing it this way because I did have extra pieces kind of hanging off on the ends and I had to go back and trim. So I wouldn't recommend that. My X-Acto knife kind of did the job, like one and done, and it was super easy. So I am loving how this floral looks in here. It is actually huge. Oh my gosh, those are huge stickers. All right, I think I'm about done with this spread. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use my Happy Planner hole punch. And I'm going to go ahead and try to line it up just right so that I can line it up. So I just went ahead and punched all of my pages and it came out very nice. I got a little off on the pages, but you know, that's all right. We cool. So we're going to go ahead and place this back into my Happynichi so we can do like a flip through, because you know that's what I love to do. And we're going to look at this because I'm just amazed of how easy this was. And I got two different looks using florals, of course, and it was super easy and fast to decorate. So for the first week of for the week of January, of course, the 13th through the 19th is a special week. So I had to dress that up and put my little anniversary touch on it. So I'm just adding a few more touches to it. And actually, I have a baby shower coming up, and I want to use these printables from Tra La La. Stickers. I think I'm saying that right. And she has these cute little baby shower printables, and so I went to place that on there. And I did trim off her legs a little bit because I wanted it to be like she was part of that box. And I just love how that came out. So that spread is done. Like, I love, love, love the spread. So I do love the versatility of the florals, using it to dress it up as like an anniversary theme or make it whatever you want. So I am loving it. So let me know. This is what I want to know. Let me know if you love this week spread for January the 13th through the 19th with the florals that I use here, or if you like January the 20th through the 26th spread. Now, I was super duper shocked that I was able to use 2 stickers, okay? 2 stickers for the week of January the 20th through the 26th. Oh my gosh. So, of course, I wanted to just do like a notation of different appointments that I have, which I'll go back in and fill in. And I will try to do a little bit better by putting down my, but after the pins on my Instagram page. But I love how this baby shower section here for the Saturday, the 18th, that I'm going to try to go to. But I love how that turned out. But this right here, this one was a shocker for me because I only used 2 stickers and actually 4 stickers. Those 2 big ones. And then, of course, I used some more of the Teresa Collins stickers out of there because my little Peyton has her 4-year-old well child checkup. And so, yeah. So let me know down in the comments below which fun florals that you love. Either the fun florals for January the 13th through the 19th, or if you love the flowers for the week of January the 20th through the 26th. Let me know down in the comments. And also let me know what sticker book did you like the best. Did you love the fun florals, or are you still like, I'm loving the new flower sticker book? Let me know down in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video and you are part of my Tea Party Squad, please make sure to go give your girl a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoyed it. And if you are new and this is your first time catching one of my Happynichi videos, then please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload more content here at my Tea Party. And also make sure to stay tuned because I have another video coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.